Do you use the trunk rotation machine at your gym? A lot of people make some critical errors when using this machine. Check out our tips so you can avoid them and make sure that this exercise is as effective for you as possible. Hey, welcome back everybody to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we are going to be talking about the trunk rotation machine. There are some critical things that you need to keep in mind when using this machine to make sure that not only are you staying safe while you're using it, but the exercises that you're doing are as effective as possible.
This week on Trainer Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about setting your starting placement when using the trunk rotation machine. This tip can be applied to any trunk rotation machine, even if it's not the exact one that we have. On normal trunk rotation machines, there's gonna be one part that's fixed. On ours, it's the upper half, and one part that's mobile. On ours, it's the lower half. Yours might be switched. When setting the moving part, what you wanna do is fix yourself to the non-moving part first. So on ours, I'm gonna have Charlie pull his chest right into this upper pad so that it cannot move. And then I'm gonna ask him to slowly rotate in one direction until he cannot anymore. Again, slowly, not leaving the non-moving, and then we'll find where it will click in. If you're between two settings, make sure you go to the lesser setting rather than the further setting.
Keep this tip in mind the next time you use the trunk rotation machine at your gym to make sure not only are you staying safe while you do it, but this exercise is as effective as possible.